back! We're working on our Rainbow Kingdom activity book. First, we're going to work on Up in the Clouds. We're going to trace the lines, and then we're going to color in the hot air balloon after. This color we started with is purple, and I decided to color it in. But I think I'm going to trace the lines first for all the rest of the colors. Let's go! Have you ever seen a hot air balloon before? Awesome! Hot air balloons are so cool. I love how they float around in the sky, and the designs on them are so pretty and cool sometimes. Do you know what makes a hot air balloon fly? It's the hot air. The hot air gets blown into the balloon, and it makes it float in the sky. Do you want to know something so funny about hot air balloons? The first passengers on a hot air balloon ever were a sheep, a duck, and a rooster. Oh my gosh, that's so silly. If I could make any hot air balloon, I think that I would have it shaped like a heart, and it would be the color pink, with more pink polka dots, because I love pink. If you could choose anything for your hot air balloon to be, what would you choose? Awesome! I love it! Now we're just about done coloring. We used the colors red, green, teal, orange, yellow, pink, and purple. Great job! Now let's go on to our other page. We're going to look for the items that don't belong. Can you help? A bird? A pineapple? That doesn't go there. Let's circle it. What else do we see? Oh, is that a donut on the flowers? That doesn't go there either. And what's that? A dinosaur. That's silly. Look what else we found. Do you know what musical instrument this is? It's a xylophone. What's that? Is that a lollipop? That doesn't go on a clock. And look what's over here. That's a fishy. That doesn't belong in the sky. Now let's see what else we can find. Oh, I see a robot. I don't think that goes there. And lastly, a cupcake. That definitely doesn't belong. Now let's count how many things we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We found 8 things all together. Thanks for helping with that. We did a great job. Now let's move on to furry favorites. We're going to trace the words of the animal's favorite thing to do. Let's start with the little hamster. We're going to trace an E, A, T. That spells eat. Now let's move on to the little bunny. J, U, M, P. That spells jump. And the little doggy. S, L, E, E, P. That spells sleep. And finally our fishy. S, W, I, M. That spells swim. Great job. Thanks for helping. Now let's go on to our crystal cave. We're going to use the color to match the 2 pictures. Let's go. We're going to start with all of the yellow pieces. We found all the yellow. Now let's move on to our next color, which is orange. Woo! Now let's move on to our next color. Why don't you tell me what color this is? That's all right. It's green. Great job. piece. Now we're on to my favorite color. My favorite color is pink. That's right. I told you during the hot air balloon. Do you remember? I wonder if our next color is any of your favorites. Blue! That's right. We're using blue. And our next color is red. Oh my goodness, I forgot more blue parts again. Sometimes it can be hard trying to match your colors, but that's okay because we can always go back in and add some more. And our final color is purple. Ooh, I like purple. But guess what I did again? Oh my goodness, I forgot more blue. There we go. I think that now we finished up our picture how it should be. Woo, that was a lot of hard work making sure our pictures matched, but it looks like we did it. That's all the time we have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time.